If you need to access your MSN.com email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full login process step by step so you can get into your MSN email quickly and without confusion. Whether you're signing in for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will help you get there fast. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to msn.com. You can do this by typing msn.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once the MSN homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the sign in icon or sign in button. Click on it to begin the login process. Next, MSN will take you to the Microsoft sign in page. Here, you'll need to type in the email address that's connected to your MSN account. Make sure you enter it carefully so there are no mistakes. After typing your email address, click OK or Next, depending on what appears on your screen. At this point, MSN will ask you how you want to sign in. In most cases, you'll see options like password sign-in or another authentication method. If you're using your password, select that option. Then type in your password and click Next. If everything is correct, Microsoft will verify your account and continue the login process. You may also see a prompt asking if you want to stay signed in. This is optional. If you're using a private or shared computer, it's usually safer to choose no. If this is your personal device and you want quicker access next time, you can choose yes. Once you finish that step, msn.com will load again and now you should be signed in. From there, look for Outlook or the mail option on the page. Click on Outlook and that will open your MSN email inbox. This is where you can read messages, send emails, and manage your inbox just like any other email service connected to Microsoft. If you don't see your email right away, refresh the page or make sure you signed in with the correct account. And if you ever get stuck, double check your email address and password before trying again. That's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to access msn.com email step by step, from opening the website all the way to getting into Outlook. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.